This month's weekly safety meeting topic will be over using MyFitnessPal. Many people have New Year's resolutions to lose weight and eat healthier, and MyFitnessPal can help you accomplish that goal. MyFitnessPal is available for Android and Apple devices. To install MyFitnessPal, open the App Store. Once in the App Store, search MyFitnessPal. Download MyFitnessPal if you have not done so already. If you have it, open up the app. The main page will show calories remaining in the upper left corner, macronutrients in the upper right corner, and information in the center. The first time you use the app, you will want to set your goals. To do this, click More in the bottom right corner. Select Goals. Once in Goals, you can set your starting weight, your current weight, your goal weight, your weekly goal, and your activity level. To change a goal, select it. Here, we will select Weekly Goal. Select how many pounds per week you would like to lose. Next, we will select our activity level. Here I have selected lightly active. You will want to set your macronutrient goals. In here you can see how many calories you have, and it's divided into carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Select the percentage of calories you want from each of these. Scroll down to find workouts per week and minutes per workout. To change a fitness goal, select it and make adjustments. Click the back arrow in the upper left corner. Click on Nutrition. The Nutrition tab shows calories, nutrients, and macros. Nutrients show your goal and how much you have left after entering your food and drink for the day or week. Macros is divided into carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Consuming the right balance of protein, carbs, and fat can help you maintain a healthy weight and optimize your energy levels. Protein and carbs both contain 4 calories per gram, while fat provides 9 calories per gram. You can view nutrition by day or week. When you log your food throughout the day, the macro pie chart will show how many carbs, fats, and protein you are getting, as well as what your goal should be. The calories pie chart shows how many calories you are getting from breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Click the back arrow in the upper left corner. Click on Meals, Recipes, and Foods. Here you can create recipes by adding from the web or entering your ingredients manually. You can also create meals for foods that you often eat together to make logging faster. If I click Create a Meal, I can choose who can see the meal, public, friends, or only me. I can add a photo, name the meal, add items to the meal, and give instructions for making the meal. Click the back arrow in the upper left corner. Click back again. Click on Steps. Here you can connect a step tracker to MyFitnessPal. If I click Add a Device, I can see the different step tracking apps that are compatible with MyFitnessPal. Some of these apps include Fitbit, Tracker, and Garmin Connect. Click back. Click back again. I will scroll down and click on Friends. Here you can add friends. I will click on Add Friends. Here I can add friends from my contacts, Facebook, email, or MyFitnessPal username. I will select Contacts. Here I can see contacts from my phone that are using MyFitnessPal. I can also invite friends from my contacts list to join MyFitnessPal. Click back. I will now select Facebook. MyFitnessPal asks you to sign into your Facebook. I will select Continue and log in. Here I can see all Facebook friends that are using MyFitnessPal. Click back. Click back again. I will click on Messages. Here you will see messages that your MyFitnessPals have sent you. Click back. I will click on Our Other Apps. Here you will see other apps that Under Armour provides. Some of these apps include Map My Walk and Map My Run. Click back.